Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a BRRRR refinance plan using Rocket Mortgage. Full guide step-by-step. To restore a BRRRR refinance plan using Rocket Mortgage, start by gathering all necessary financial documents. This includes your recent pay stubs, W-2 forms, and tax returns for the past 2 years. Next, assess the current condition of your rental property. Make sure to document its value, including any improvements or renovations you have completed. Then, log into your Rocket Mortgage account or create one if you haven't already. Navigate to the Refinance section of the website. Select the option for cash-out refinancing. Input the current value of your property. Provide details about your existing mortgage, including the loan amount and interest rate. Rocket Mortgage will then help you calculate the potential equity available for a cash-out option. Next, input your financial information, including income and debt-to-income ratio. Be prepared to provide information about your investment in the property, including rental income. Once you have completed the online application, the platform will offer a preliminary assessment. If the terms look favorable, proceed by submitting your application for final approval. After submission, be aware that Rocket Mortgage may request additional documentation. Collect and submit any requested documents promptly. Once approved, review the closing documents carefully. Ensure you understand the new loan terms and interest rates before signing. Finally, sign the documents to complete your refinance. Once the refinance is complete, use the cash-out funds to finance future investments. And there you have it, a full guide on restoring a BRRRR refinance plan using Rocket Mortgage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.